If you are struggling growing your hair and you haven't tried any natural recipe for your hair growth, I highly recommend you trying this very recipe. One thing I love about this recipe is the ingredients are very easy to find. I believe most of you watching me have these ingredients in their kitchen, and even if you don't have it in your kitchen as I speak, it is very easy to find in the grocery store or in the market. So if you haven't tried anything or you have tried other recipes and nothing seemed to work for you, I highly recommend you trying this. It is so powerful. And hey, all my beautiful people, thank you for always coming back to watch me, especially my returning subscribers. I really do appreciate all the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. But you all know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is ginger. I believe everybody watching me now knows about this natural ingredient. Ginger is not only good for food, but it is great for hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat your scalp. So if you have scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, or anything going on that scalp, using ginger in your hair care routine can help you resolve all of that. Ginger can also strengthen your hair strands. This is clove. Clove is very popular, one of the best natural ingredients that can help stimulate hair growth. I know a lot of you have tried clove and have seen great results for that. But if you haven't used clove in your hair care routine or you have tried it with no result, try it with this recipe. You will come back and thank me later. What makes clove very effective is the fact that it has antioxidant properties that can help prevent hair loss, hair shedding, hair fall, or even if your hair is too weak, adding clove to your hair care routine can strengthen your hair strands. So I added these two ingredients in a blender and I blended it with no water. Make sure you do not get any water in this recipe. You want it without water. So as you saw from the beginning of this video, I cleaned my ginger very well. After that, I washed it with water several times. When you are done washing with water, make sure you dry it with a paper towel or any clean cloth. You don't want to get any water in this recipe. After that, you put the two together and you blend it. It is time to add my carrier oil. Today, I'm going to use olive oil. Olive oil is great when it comes to hair growth. It is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakage, hair fall. It will also add some shine to your hair. It is one of the best plant-based oils you can ever find when it comes to hair growth. But there are other plant-based oils that are also great, like coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. You can add any of these. It all depends on what really works with your hair. So what I did was I added enough olive oil to cover all my natural ingredients. That is the trick. Most of my DIY recipes, I do not use specific measurements. These are all natural ingredients. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way. And that is one thing I love about natural ingredients. It's not like other chemicals where if you do not add the right amount, it can damage your hair. Natural ingredients are so safe to use. And hey you all, if you are still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very great when it comes to hair growth and repairing hair damage. If you add vitamin E oil to your DIY recipe, it just helps boost the benefit of any DIY recipe. It will strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakage. You don't need much, just a few drops will do. In this recipe, I used just 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Some of them come in a bottle. So if you are using the one in a bottle, you just add a few drops. All depends on the quantity of the oil you are trying to make. This is Jamaican black castor oil. This oil can help thicken up your hair. So if you are someone who is experiencing hair thinning or hair fall, if you add Jamaican black castor to your hair care routine, it is going to help thicken up your hair. You need to try it if you haven't. If you're losing your edges, try adding Jamaican black castor oil to your hair care routine. You will come back and thank me later. I added a few drops to this recipe, and after that I gave it a good stir. I also added one of my favorite essential oils to this recipe. A few drops will go a long way. You don't need much, and you can feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. So at this point, my hair growth oil is all ready. This oil is so powerful, guys. You will use this oil as a hot oil treatment. Do not leave it in your hair. Whenever you are ready to use this, you warm it up. Once it's all warmed up, you're going to massage it into your scalp, onto your hair strands. Make sure you put enough. Then after that, you cover your hair for about 30 minutes. Let it sit in your hair and work on that scalp. After that, you're going to rinse it out and go ahead with your wash day routine. Repeat this at least twice a week and be consistent with the use for faster result. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try. Thank you for watching this video.